Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the dynamic routes in the Next.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Dynamic routes are the pages that allow you to add custom params to the URLs. Suppose like product ID, post ID. Okay, I want to get the posts. Okay, so when I have a list of the post, when I click on the post, it will. I want to retrieve the single page. Then there should be an ID in that slug or params. You can say, right. So how we are going to build that structure in the next years? So very simple, very easy. What we have to do, we have to use like this with the square brackets, whatever is to be a ID, whether it's to be a product ID, because in the REST APIs, you can see that on the behalf of ID, you want to delete a record, you want to fetch a record, or you want to update a record. In that note also, this is required because on the behalf of params ID, you need to update the logic. In that way it will be used. And in the pages, like suppose I want to we have a list of posts, right? On the behalf of post, I want to show a new page. On the behalf of post ID, I want to retrieve the data of that current post. In that case it will be used. Okay, so it will be like product ID, and here we have a page.tsx where we have the code. So this is the how to get the params. Product ID should be number, and my post params dot product ID, this is we have to fetch. Okay, save this. Whatever in the params I would like to add, it automatically reflect over here. Save this. Okay, then run it, then go over here. Here I can put over 1 2 3. Then you can see my post is 123. If I go post 1, it will go my post is 1, and the post 2. So this is, you can see that when I have the list of posts and I click on that one, I want to basically retrieve that post by ID. So this would be helpful in that note. Okay, so this is how you can achieve the dynamic routes into your next application. Same with the REST APIs. Like suppose we have a product ID. On the behalf of product ID, I want to fetch their data, delete that data, or update the data. In that note, this is also used. Okay, in the REST API, I have already made that one. I will show you my structure. Okay, so here you can see I have the APIs users. Okay, by fetch by ID, on by default get all the routes. Okay, so this is also useful in your project. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.